Imagine this. You've just bought a shiny new SUV, you're excited for your first road trip, and then, on your way to your destination, the engine sputters, the transmission grinds, and the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, this scenario is becoming a reality for many SUV owners in 2025, as some of the most popular models on the market are proving to be shockingly unreliable. Today, we're diving deep into the 12 most unreliable SUVs of 2025, and trust me, you'll want to stay tuned to avoid the headache these cars are bringing to their owners. Welcome back to Auto Drive, the channel where we keep you informed about the latest in the world of hybrids, electric vehicles, top car reviews, and all things automotive. If you're a car enthusiast or just looking to make an informed decision before buying your next vehicle, you've come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and make sure you're always up to date on the latest automotive news, reviews, and trends. So, let's talk about reliability. When you're buying a car, especially an SUV, you expect it to be durable, safe, and, most importantly, reliable. But in 2025, certain models have missed the mark, and consumers are feeling the brunt of it. One of the most notable offenders on the Consumer Reports list of unreliable SUVs is the 2025 Jeep Compass. Now, the Compass has been popular for a while, but the 2025 model year has seen a surge in complaints, especially concerning the transmission system. Owners have reported issues with jerking, delayed shifting, and in some cases, total transmission failure. This is a major concern for anyone who wants a smooth driving experience, and it's one of the reasons the Jeep Compass lands firmly on the list of unreliable vehicles. Next up, the 2025 Kia Sorento, a model that's often praised for its sleek design and hybrid capabilities. However, Consumer Reports highlight significant electrical issues in this SUV. Owners have complained about a malfunctioning infotainment system, faulty safety sensors, and unresponsive touchscreens, leading to a frustrating driving experience. Some drivers have even reported that their Kia Sorento has left them stranded due to electrical failures, and this makes it hard to recommend for anyone prioritizing reliability. The ripple effect from these reliability concerns has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry. Companies like Toyota, Honda, and Subaru, known for their dependable SUVs, are capitalizing on these reliability issues to gain consumer trust. Toyota's 2025 Highlander, for instance, continues to be a top choice among families due to its outstanding reputation for reliability. The Highlander offers a smooth ride, a robust engine, and a low-maintenance ownership experience, making it an appealing option for anyone looking to avoid the potential pitfalls of less reliable SUVs. Moreover, competitors are also beginning to prioritize reliability as a key differentiator. Many automakers are offering extended warranties and enhanced customer service programs to help reassure consumers. For example, Hyundai has been improving its quality control and warranty programs, while Honda's CR-V continues to be a solid contend. The 2025 Nissan Rogue is another SUV that made the list for reliability issues. While the Rogue has been a strong contender in the compact SUV market, its 2025 model has faced frequent engine stalling problems and poor fuel efficiency. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, which many compact SUVs rely on for smooth shifting, has also proven problematic in the Rogue, with complaints ranging from poor acceleration to complete transmission failure. As you can imagine, these issues create a lot of frustration for those who depend on their vehicles for daily commuting and family trips. But it's not just mechanical issues that are causing headaches. Many 2025 SUVs, like the Nissan Rogue, also struggle with interior quality. Complaints about peeling dashboards, broken buttons, and malfunctioning climate control systems are becoming common. And it's not just one or two isolated cases. Many owners report experiencing these problems, which suggests a broader issue with manufacturing quality. Another model that made the cut is the 2025 Ford Edge. While the Edge is known for its spaciousness and comfort, the 2025 version has been hit with complaints about its powertrain and electrical systems. Owners have experienced issues with the engine misfiring, leading to reduced power and performance. Additionally, the infotainment system often fails to sync with smartphones, leaving drivers frustrated and disconnected from essential features. Here for those looking for a reliable compact SUV. These brands are putting significant effort into maintaining the trust of their customer base while addressing the concerns that have plagued other vehicles in the market. The rise of electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrids is also putting pressure on traditional internal combustion engine-powered SUVs. With fewer moving parts, EVs and hybrids generally offer a more reliable driving experience. Ford's Mustang Mach-E and Hyundai's Ioniq 5 have been well received for their dependability, with many owners praising their seamless performance and low maintenance costs. As the automotive market continues to evolve, the focus on electric and hybrid vehicles may very well be the key to solving many of the reliability issues currently faced by gas-powered SUVs. These vehicles are built on simpler powertrains, and the lack of complex mechanical systems like traditional engines and transmissions means fewer parts can break down. The shift towards electric and hybrid SUVs isn't just about innovation. It's also about offering consumers a more reliable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly choice. With models like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 and the Ford Mustang Mach-E, drivers are getting more reliable SUVs that offer exceptional performance, longer ranges, and fewer trips to the mechanic. The lack of traditional engine components like the exhaust system, fuel pump, and complex transmission systems means that electric vehicles are far less likely to experience mechanical failures compared to their gasoline-powered counterparts. Additionally, electric vehicles come with a host of benefits that contribute to overall vehicle longevity and lower maintenance costs. EVs don't require oil changes, their brake systems tend to last longer due to regenerative braking, and their powertrains are simpler to maintain. For drivers looking to minimize the hassle of frequent repairs and maintenance, switching to an electric or hybrid SUV could be a game-changer. So, what's the real-world payoff for choosing a reliable electric or hybrid SUV? Well, for starters, lower maintenance costs. With EVs and hybrids, you're avoiding frequent visits to the mechanic for engine repairs, oil changes, or exhaust system issues. This can add up to significant savings over the life of your vehicle. Furthermore, many electric vehicles come with extensive warranties that cover the battery and electric drivetrain, giving you peace of mind for years to come. From an environmental perspective, electric and hybrid SUVs are a much greener choice. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, while hybrids reduce fuel consumption and carbon footprints. As concerns about climate change grow, driving an electric or hybrid vehicle allows consumers to make a meaningful impact on reducing their carbon footprint. In fact, choosing an electric vehicle can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions significantly over its lifetime compared to traditional gas-powered SUVs. Moreover, many governments offer incentives for purchasing electric and hybrid vehicles, such as tax credits and rebates, further reducing the overall cost of ownership. This makes it easier than ever for consumers to make the switch to more reliable, eco-friendly options. In conclusion, while the 2025 SUV market offers plenty of options, it's important to prioritize reliability when making a purchase. Models like the Jeep Compass, Kia Sorento, and Nissan Rogue may be tempting with their sleek designs and advanced features, but their consistent reliability issues should make you think twice. Instead, look towards proven brands like Toyota and Honda, or consider the growing options of electric and hybrid vehicles that are proving to be more reliable and cost-effective in the long run. That wraps up today's video on the most unreliable SUVs of 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to AutoDrive for more automotive insights, reviews, and updates. We cover everything from hybrid cars to the latest in EV technology, ensuring you're always informed before making a purchase. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more tips to help you navigate the world of cars.